Hello, this is Dave Clayton from Tidelands Ford Lincoln, doing a quick video, a little technology video for you today. A lot of people have been asking about exactly what they can do. By the way, my tagline or my personal brand is Save with Dave. I hope you choose to save with Dave because I'll make car buying fast and fun. Today's feature I want to tell you about is the voice button. A lot of people have been asking me about what does this voice button do exactly in your vehicle. So I want to show you real quick. I'm going to go ahead and show you first in the navigation aspect of this. So I can hold down this right here, just tap it once. I can say
a command.
I'm hungry.
Please say a line number.
So this gives me all the different options of the local restaurants that are close by. So I'm going to go ahead and pick Landolfi's.
When ready, press the voice button and then say.
And I'm going to hit start. So that's what the voice button can do for you.
Be alert and use voice command.
If you're using it for navigation, it's a great thing. The other thing you might use it for is if you're on the road and you might need gas soon, you just hit this button right, the same voice button. Hopefully you can see this. I need gas.
Please say a line number.
And I'm gonna go, all right, so I'm gonna show you one more thing you can do with this voice button that is really cool. Send a text message to Dave Clayton.
What do you want to say?
You're the best car salesman in the world. I love you, honey.
Your message to David at Clayton says you're the best car salesman in the world. I love you, honey. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay.
So that's my favorite feature. So we just did that with my wife's phone. So she just sent me that voicemail, that text message. So the phone that we're using for the video just received a text message. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'll be right back. So now that we have, I sent the text message back to her. So I can hold this button down again. Just hold it down for a long time. Read text message from David Clayton.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
So sometimes you have to do this with a used password. So I'm going to put in her password. So I know this is probably dangerous if you're driving.
David at Clayton said, "Why, thank you very much, sweetheart," with 4 smiley emoji. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
You're the best guy in the world. You knew I love smiley emojis. Sad face emoji, kissy face emoji, kissy face emoji.
Your message says you're the best guy in the world. Do you know I love smiley emoji, sad face emoji, kissy face emoji. Ready to send it?
Yes. So now do you see how fun this can be?
Okay.
You can text message using this voice button. So I just want you to know that. Now be safe out there on the road. Time for us to go, but just want to say thank you so much. Hope you choose to save with Dave.